Good morning. And when I mark your work, I find most of you can uh, get the idea of locus. So most of you know how to find the equation of locus by using the given information. For example, question 8, I know the distance of PV is equal to the distance of PU. So that set up the distance formula and then take square on both sides, simplify it, you can find the equation of locus. But I find some of you cannot present well on how to describe the geometric relationship between the locus or how to describe the locus. So I want to make this video and then pinpoint some important information. So part A, I want to skip it. Part B, because you need to find the geometric relationship between the locus of P and L. So you need to determine what's the relationship between these two equations. Maybe obvious, you know the slope of L is 3 and then slope of the locus of negative slope of the locus of P is equal to negative 1 over 3, but you also need to write down your work. So the slope of the locus of P times the slope of L is equal to negative 1 over 3 times negative 3. So this is equal to negative 1. It is because this one, so your conclusion is the locus of P is perpendicular to L. Question 22, similar. And most of you can find the equation of locus of P by using the given informations. There are three methods to find the locus of P. The first one is this one. You may consider distance because according to the Pythagoras theorem, I know the square of the distance of AB, I mean this one, is the square of the distance of AP plus the square of the distance of PB. You can set up these equations and then you can find the equation of locus. Or second method is that you can make good use of the slope of AP times the slope of BP is equal to negative 1 to form the relationship between x and y. And simplify it, you can get the same answer. The last method, this is method 2, method 3. By using the converse of angle in semicircle, I know AB is the diameter. So that you can find the midpoint of AB is the center, the coordinate center, and find the length of AB divided by 2, you can find the radius. You can write down the answer immediately. So three method. The last one is find center and radius. You can find the locus of point P. But what I want to emphasize is part B. Yes, the locus of P is a circle with center. Very good. And radius is equal to 5. But you need to bear in mind point P cannot be at point A because angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. If A if point P move to point A or point B, then AB is not a straight line so that we cannot form 90 degrees. So you need to point it out excluding A and B or except A and B. So bear in mind how to consider the given information and describe the locus. As some important concept you need to bear in mind. Some point are not the locus of P. You need to point it out. After watching this example, try to do the classwork and then homework today. If you have any questions, and remember you can ask me through WhatsApp or Google Classroom.